In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Xero automatic invoicing. Getting automated invoicing set up in Xero can significantly streamline your business operations, ensuring that your invoices are sent out promptly and that you have more time to focus on what really matters. So, let's dive in and explore how to make invoicing a breeze. First, open up your Xero and log into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the top bar. You'll see a variety of options there. What you want to focus on is the sales menu. With Xero, the sales section is your go-to place for all things related to customer transactions. Click on Sales, and you'll be greeted with options that will help you manage your invoicing with ease. Once you've clicked Sales, look for the Yay Invoices option. Selecting Invoices will take you to a page where you can view, edit, or create invoices for your clients. This is essentially your invoicing hub, and you'll be spending a good amount of your invoicing time here. Now, to automate this process, direct your attention to invoice reminders. This feature is designed to help you by automatically sending reminders to your customers about their invoices. Click on Invoice Reminders to begin the setup process. Turning this feature on means less stress and more efficiency, as it handles reminding your customers about outstanding invoices without any manual intervention from you. Next, you'll notice an option to email customers when an invoice is. Check this box. This action ensures that your clients will get notified automatically when their invoices reach a certain overdue period of your choosing. After you check the box, you have the ability to specify the number of days it takes for an invoice to be considered overdue. Choose the time frame that best reflects your business needs, whether it be a gentle reminder after just a few days or a strong nudge after a longer period. It's entirely up to you. Once you've set the desired parameters indicating when the reminders should be sent, you don't want to lose any of your configurations, so make sure you click Save. This final step ensures that all of the changes you've made are stored, and your invoice reminders will go out exactly as planned. Saving your settings is a crucial part of the process, ensuring that your automation remains intact and reliable. And just like that, you've successfully set up automatic invoicing reminders in Xero. This simple setup means you'll spend less time worrying about follow-ups and more time allocating your resources effectively. With Xero's automatic invoicing feature, your billing process becomes far more efficient, benefiting both you and your clients. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing!